Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's 13 July, and with me here is Vinoli, who has been joining us in the open water swimming in Othiambakam for the last 3 months. Today we went for an 4,500 meter sea swim, Vinoli's first. Before we get to that, Vinoli, can you tell me a little bit about your swimming history?
Yeah, hi Peter. I learned, started swimming from UKG.
Whoa.
From first standard, I started learning freestyle.
Yeah.
And from third standard, I participated in state level swimming meet.
Wow.
And I won first place in 50 meters breaststroke. So that is my starting career.
Yeah.
For the past, 9 years, I represented national level. Still my school days. After joining engineering in MIT, concentrating in studies more.
No more swimming that time.
Just for an university, I was doing swimming, athletics, and basketball.
Yeah.
And after getting into job, I just doing my fitness.
Yeah.
So after marriage, again, only fitness I'm doing, but not like attending competition.
Yeah.
I was just getting bored, getting stressed at office and home. At home. So finally, I decided, okay, we'll do something. At least we start doing swimming practice.
Yeah.
So I saw your Facebook
open water
in Othiambakam. It was a challenge for me because I saw 150 meters swimming. Okay, I decided we can do it.
Yeah.
So I came there and everybody was starting. That is 150 rope was there. I decided not to stand anywhere.
Yeah.
I finished my one lap, and I'm happy, feel happy. I did on that day, I think 1 kilometers.
Whoa.
That is my initial.
So this was the first experience out of the swimming pools.
Yeah, after swimming pool.
Yeah.
And after that, everybody said, Guna told me that triathlon, we are practicing for triathlon.
Yeah.
My husband said, why don't you participate in that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I can do it. And I saw your in Chennai triathlon.
Yeah.
And sprint event is there. Okay, after long 12-14 years gap, so I decided, okay, we'll do sprint initially.
To start with.
And started, and Guna told me, do it in Olympic category because you are doing swimming well.
Yeah.
So I started 1 week practice for Olympic category.
Yeah.
And Ahmed told me, you don't do it in Olympic category, you do it in half.
I don't know. Slowly you will building up and up.
Okay, I said I can do swimming, cycling, but running is very poor because I need to come back again because overweight and athletics is not very easy.
Yeah.
So, but he told me no problem, you can finish it within 11 hours. So seriously started practice for the past 3 months.
Yeah.
Early morning, getting up 4.
Yeah.
It's like working hard here and going office again, coming back.
Yeah.
So I concentrate much on triathlon only. Not even my job career.
So you were practicing running, cycling, swimming on a regular basis?
Posted in Facebook that workout schedules.
Yeah.
I follow throughout that.
Fantastic.
But only running is the problem. I struggle a lot.
Yeah.
During practice, 15 kilometers I did.
Yeah.
Okay, but D2D I ran 21 kilometers.
Yeah.
And then only I got confident, okay, I can do well.
Yeah.
And I decided when I'm seeing that sea swimming photos, I like to ask you, but after triathlon I can ask you to, I can join with you.
Okay.
But finally I did.
So you did the half iron Saturday?
I did half iron.
And which time did you finish?
8.5 hours.
Oh,
so
amazing.
45 minutes I have done.
Yeah. That's an amazing time actually, right? For just 3 months of practice and your first triathlon. How did it feel to finish the triathlon?
Pardon?
How did it feel to be at the finisher podium?
I'm very happy, but little bit disappointed with my performance. I aimed high. I missed my podium. Only during running time, everyone catch me.
Okay.
But I'm happy, really, it's happy, and my mom is very happy. She decided, okay, you can do well, you go practicing, keep on practicing. And my son, my hubby, all are supported, well supported.
Super. So back to swimming. So when did you decide to come for the sea swim?
I decided when I'm seeing your Facebook photos.
Okay.
I decided.
So, and how was your first sea swim today? We did a significant distance, right? 4,500 meters, close to 2 hours of swimming. So when you got